Introducing the Container Testing and Suppression Agent Recycling Facility from Johnson Controls, a purpose-built facility to enable the recycling of FM200 or Novec 1230 fire suppression agents, restoring them to the original manufacturing specification according to ISO 14520. Once the container is received, we use a decanting rig to remove the suppression agents, ensuring there are no losses. We lower the temperature of the agent to -28 degrees Celsius to allow it to be recycled and cleaned. Once recycled, the liquid is transferred into a large tank and left to return to room temperature, ready for testing. With the containers now empty, they are placed into the valve removal chamber. Once the valves are removed, the container is visually inspected for signs of rust or other damage. The container is now transferred to the container testing area, where it is hydrostatically tested. This process will fill the container with water and, under pressure, will stretch the container to test the integrity of the steel. Assuming the container passes hydrostatic testing, the water is removed and the container is transferred to the drying stage of the process. A tube is inserted into the container and hot air is pumped for 20 minutes to dry it thoroughly. Once dry, the old paintwork is removed from the container. The machinery rotates the container and the metal brushes remove the old paint. All paint dust is extracted away to maintain a clean working environment. After paint removal, we transfer the container to our painting facility to repaint and restore the finish to a new condition. Once the paint is completely dry, the container is placed into the valve replacement machine, where a refurbished valve is fitted and tightened to a specific torque to ensure the seal meets with the manufacturer recommendations. Now the restored container can be refilled with the recycled FM200 or Novec 1230. The container is weighed while filling to ensure the correct amount of agent is replaced. After filling, the container is placed into the agitation machine and super pressurized with nitrogen to its normal operating pressure. This process agitates the FM200 or Novec 1230 container to ensure that the nitrogen is fully absorbed into the agents.